Hey class! Hello everyone! I am here to show you a little bit about how to use Pix Meme for our first live Zoom meeting. We're going to be introducing ourselves using a little of our pop culture consumption to introduce ourselves to the class. Let me show you how to go ahead and make your Pix Meme. All you're going to do, come up here, make a meme. And then you're going to scroll down to make your meme here. Because there are 6 different questions that I'm asking for you to indicate, I would do 3 by 2 horizontal. What that's going to do is create 6 different frames for you. And then you're going to click down here on images. It is really easy to use. You'll see that there's image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5, image 6. And the cool part about that is that you know that your images will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All you will do is you will browse your disk. You will look for the answer to the first question that I asked. You will come up here and say, oh, does that look good? Okay, well, I hope that my students know what this is. Oh, yep, there we go. It's the TV show, The Good Place. And remember, you can edit this as much or as little as you want to. Let us be able to see it, but note that I am not going to be taking off points for any issues of formatting. You can go through and then add images to each of these squares. Once you do so, then you're going to want to add text. And if you see down here, caption 1 is going to go with image 1. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. I'm going to go ahead and turn it to the left just to make sure that I have enough spacing. And then what I'm going to do is erase this caption. I'm going to answer it with what I am watching. So you can put that in and continue to create these individual squares, and then with what you're watching, what you're listening to, what you're excited about, etc. Once you finish that, what you are going to want to do, let me just escape from this tab real quick. Turn this one off, sorry y'all. Well, exit, there we go. The last thing I simply wanted to show you is when you're ready to make it, we will simply click make it. Make it. And there's the masterpiece where we have it. And now you're only seeing the masterpiece for this little bit or this little amount. You can, like it says, right click to save your image. And then what you can do is go ahead and cut and paste that directly into our discussion board. So go ahead, have some fun. What I would encourage you to do is choose your images to answer the questions that you want to import, get those loaded onto your computer or the URLs, and then it makes it really easy. It should only be about, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes to create it. I look forward to seeing what you are consuming on our first day of class.